Hello, guys. Welcome to this live broadcast. Welcome to Workouts for Older Men Live. I am Skip LaCour. I am so glad you are here today joining me. Tell me where you're watching me from. Tell me what you're loving about our continual connection. You and me, just a little bit older, want to take our fitness to the next level, get more consistent, take our training to the next level, our eating habits, build that muscle, lose that body fat, all in the context of our busy, productive lives. We want to be the total package. If that sounds like you, you have found your home right here with Workouts for Older Men. All of the information and inspiration that I continually pump out, more than the training strategies, more than the eating strategies. This is a mindset that we're going through at this stage of our life. We look at the world much differently than we did when we were younger. So when it comes to our training and eating, how we put it all together, we're going to look at it much differently than the younger, really passionate, really extreme fitness experts, right? And that's the perspective that I come from. Know what that's like to be all in. It's everything. When I was a 6-time national champion drug-free bodybuilder for so many years, but I'm 16 years removed. I live a life like you. I can't do all those things I used to, but I want to look great. Here I am, 57 years old with passion and energy, right? Training on a consistent basis, but doing what I need to do and conserving my willpower, focus, energy, and time, having fun with my training, loving the fitness, obsessed with the fitness, but I'm more obsessed about the total package, everything in life, and I know you are too, right? So we want to be effective with our willpower, focus, energy, and time, so we can take care of all areas of our lives. If that sounds like something that you've been looking for, you know, your body doesn't respond the same. You don't have the same lifestyle when you were younger, but you want to stay fit, right? You want to make sure that you're on all of my social media platforms. I have a link down below. Make sure you're on my tips. I'm all over social media, whether it's videos or podcasts, blog posts, images, routines. You want to make sure you're on all of my social media platforms and make sure that you sign up for the tips. This weekend, that's when I wanted to come to you just for a quick moment today. I'm going to be talking to you all weekend long, one-on-one. You guys know it. I am obsessed with helping you become the best that you can be, both inside and outside of the gym. Let's go through this journey together, and more than this continual connection. I have so many men. I talk to you, maybe post down below if we've actually talked on the phone. I make it just part of my everyday to connect, learn more about my craft, learn about you, help you, how I can serve you even better. I'm the #1 authority when it comes to older men, fitness, and personal development in all areas of life. So I do my work, I talk to you, I learn what you need most, how to say it even better. That's what gives me the material that I continually come with to you. And one thing that I've realized is that there's so much information on the internet. There's so much confusion, frustration, overwhelm. And many of us, as we're going through all the videos, we see it as conflicting, maybe a lot of misinformation. And maybe the younger fitness experts, they fight amongst themselves saying, oh, that guy doesn't know what he's talking about. That's misinformation. All right? See, I see the world differently. I want you to come along and entertain the fact that, 95% of the information is directionally going in the right place. Right? But there's different goals, there's different needs. You're not the same as other men your age, certainly not as younger men. So they have to create a black and white path that may not apply to you. So sometimes it's not misinformation, just doesn't apply to you in your specific situation. Many times you're just interpreting it from your perspective, and you don't know what it's like to get to this other side yet. So a lot of times it's misinterpretation. And that's what I want to do. All of the confusion, frustration, overwhelm, what I've learned is one-on-one, when we can talk, all right, I can check a great communicator, a great leader, right, takes responsibility for both sides of the conversation. I don't just tell you how to train and eat. I got to make sure that you're hearing how I'm explaining it, and then you take that information and go on the right path. Not you misinterpret what I'm saying, think I'm saying this way, and then you go down the wrong path, and then you're confused. A great communicator, a great leader, takes responsibility for both sides of the conversation. It's very hard for any fitness expert to do it when it's just one-sided on the internet, right? So all weekend long, I have it posted down below. right? I want you to fill out that questionnaire on that link below. I want you to call. That's my Google phone number, right? 213-973-8790, right? Call that number. If I don't answer, make sure that you leave a message, and I will call you back. Leave your phone number too. Right, again, all week long, I'm talking to you one-on-one. Call my Google number. Again, that's 213-973-8790. Make sure you click that link and fill out that questionnaire. Tell me all about your goals and where you're going so we can be really efficient with our time together. I'm going to be packed all weekend long talking to men just like you. And if it's more convenient, go to talkwithskip.com. Talkwithskip.com, and you can schedule a time that's best for you. Right, and I'll prove that, and you'll get an email, and we'll set up that time. Make sure you leave your phone number there. So I want to go beyond all the misinformation. I want to communicate with you one-on-one. We'll talk 10, 15 minutes. I'll direct you to some resources, right, whether it's mine, anywhere around the internet. I want to help you more than just, training and showing up with a one-sided video. Right, so make sure that you take advantage of that. Again, make sure you're on all of my social media platforms. Make sure you fill out the questionnaire, and make sure you're on my tips. One other thing, so many men brand new to Workouts for Older Men. Welcome if you're new. I really appreciate you being here. I just love you guys are reaching out, talking to me, the instant connection that we've created already. You know that this information is for you at this stage of life, and you've really the message has really resonated. We've really connected. I'm talking to a lot of you guys on the phone. You're reaching out. All right, but there's so much information out there. I have a lot of information. So down below, I'm going to post 4 videos that I have with training, nutrition, motivation, how to create a workout plan. 4 videos, probably my best of. It's a great starter package for you to go through. Probably if you're brand new to Workouts for Older Men, probably those 4 videos are where you want to start. And again, reach out. Fill out that questionnaire, leave your phone number. I'll reach out to you by text, by email. Call that Google number, 213-973-8790. And if it's more convenient, go to talkwithskip.com and set up an appointment, and I'll approve that. All right. So that's going to do it. Hey, let's go beyond just showing up, connecting on the videos. Let's do more than that. Let me talk to you one-on-one. Let me have you this frustration, confusion, overwhelm. I talk to so many men just like you. I can set you straight. I know the patterns. I know what your challenges are. I know where the pitfalls and obstacles happen. It's quite common. I can set you straight. All right. Also got some ideas that I want to bounce off you. I've got some projects and some videos coming up. I'd love to get your feedback too. So let's do that through the one-on-one connection. So that's going to do it for this Workouts for Older Men Live. I want to talk to you. So have a great day. Have an outstanding day. Have an awesome day. Think big and think bigger than getting bigger.